I'm Alissa.
I'm Danaya.
And we believe that the most important topic in history we learned this year was learning about the gender and class inequality in China.
We know that it is important because women shouldn't be treated lesser than men.
By learning this, it taught us a lot about our history and how it has really changed over time. And since we are women, we are really grateful for that.
We know that we need to fight for our rights and get what we deserve.
An example of women inequality would be the one-child policy in China.
The one-child policy is that you're only allowed to have one child, and most parents in China are wishing for a boy.
The reason that they want a boy is because they think that the boy will always be there for the family and always provide for the family. They also want to keep the family name going for as long as possible.
They think that girls will just run away and get married, but they are wrong.
They don't know that girls can provide for a family just as well as boys can. The one-child policy wasn't created just so boys can be born. It was created so the population of China can stabilize, which is really dramatically increasing.
But people thought that they still need to only have boys. An example of class inequality is foot binding. They thought the smaller the feet, the higher the class you were in.
Women went through a lot of pain to be known as what society is called beautiful. Here are examples of foot binding.
People don't realize that gender inequality can have major consequences in society.
An example for the one-child policy is that when there's more males than females, males cannot find people to marry, so they end up not having anyone to marry.
When men can't find someone to marry, they would kidnap someone and force them to be their wife.
These are some reasons why we believe that gender and class inequality is more important and the most important topic we learned this year.
Thank you for watching our video, and remember that women are just as equal as men.